Ah, man, the sun was just out. It went away. But I'm still gonna get my vlog in with the DJI Pocket 3. Did you know the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is coming out in the near future? I'm never giving you a date. And did you know you're gonna get this special creators kit with the DJI Mic Mini? Did you know they improved the Pocket 3 today? They're giving you stereo sound, real stereo sound that is. And you also know that they fixed the focus hunting, improved, not fixed it entirely, but I'm going out to go test my camera, my new firmware, and see how things run. But best of all, did you know they're coming out with the DJI Mic Pro? I'm sorry, but April 1st is a long way around, and I just could not help myself. April Fools! April Fools! I bet you didn't know this one. No lens flare, no bugles, no trumpet. It ain't a sunny day. Oh, the sun is coming out. Don't let it fool you. I got my gear all on my camera. Tied down, as you can see, is not a camera for the bike, the Pocket 3. I don't know if this is going to convince me to keep, sell, trade, or just move along. Poof, there it is. Poof, there it is. You get it. Well, we asked for the pop-ups to go away. Just press it. It goes away. So then, did you follow me? I put face tracking on. Set you back up again. First issue with firmware. Face tracking wouldn't work. I had an issue. Set it back up again. Tap the screen, make sure I'm on the right setting, and here I am. Well, the one thing the new firmware won't fix is the rotation around the camera. Fully around. Won't fix that. Well, I am on with the DJI Mic 2. Well, they're going to do the DJI Mini with the kit. Maybe in the future for the Pocket 4, that is. And this way, it'll cut down on the price a little bit. Because the standalone mic today is $59.99 plus tax. And the regular mic is $99.99. I apologize for all the clicking because of my glasses. But here's the mic. I like this mic better for the reasons of it's tall, it's square, rectangular, and the right size. You're gonna fit in the case. You could just get a stand of your own and make it charge. But the Mic Mini, I don't know about that. The Mic Mini is gonna stand in its own little cradle and charge. Well, if they can make a cradle for the Mic Mini, so why couldn't they make a cradle for the standalone DJI Mic 2? Better yet, where's my phone? My phone's gone. I left my phone home. An application. So imagine I wanted to set up my transmitter. My phone is elsewhere. The Mic Mini is useless to me in a way, but I have the camera to do that. So why can't we set up our mic, DJI Mic 2, via the application? Why can't we take the DJI Mic standalone and hook it up to the DJI Mini receiver? I don't love the style and design and how they put the dial on the side. To me, it just gets in the way. I like everything in the front. I like the idea of seeing the audio bar, the window, touch screen. So if you want to be with the big brother like us, come along and stick with the DJI Mic 2. But if you want to be so versatile, compact, and small, get the Mic Mini. Nothing wrong with that. I am not a newbie. I've been around the park. This video is not about me talking about the microphones, talking about the firmware. Am I hunting? Am I doing one of these? I feel like that turkey bobble thing. They're always dipping in the water. Because I can't stand hunting on a fixed focus autofocus camera. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's got subject tracking and it don't hunt. Look at this beautiful background. If I'm over here, how does my background look to you? Blurred, defocus. You love defocus. Look at the background. Don't follow me. Look at the background. Stop following me. There's my test. I'm giving a running so you could follow me. Firmware did a great job. Don't get me wrong, people. I just like to say it out loud like it is. I'm a real person. I'm not no micro channel that hides behind being positive of everything. If I'm so positively wrong, so be it. But I have fun doing videos. Don't you have fun watching videos? Beautiful day, beautiful time. One thing I want to do, show you, and the sun is out. Come around, follow me. Are you getting any type of lens flare? You're getting little bubbles, a trumpet coming down over here. We all don't like trumpets, and they're never going to get fixed. And the only way for who's they? DJI. They listen, but they didn't listen hard enough because they got too much on their table. They're busy releasing you all these new products. FOV boost lens, DJI mic mini, an FPV glasses, a DJI Mini 4, the next Osmo Action 6 Pro camera working on, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 they're working on, and all that good stuff. Even the DJI Mic Pro they're gonna get out to you. Spit a name on there. That's all they can do. I think I'm gonna wrap you up. I did my test, did my talk, did my share. Stop recording. I basically went out and I wanted to see how the Osmo Pocket 3 with the new firmware worked for me. And I just did a little talk. Like it or not, that's how things are. I'm not happy, I'm not upset, I'm not sad because they didn't fix the pop-up. DJI just, you know, they heard us. And that's all they want to do, and they're too busy trying to get all these good stuff out to us. In due time, they'll get it out. So I made a video and I talked about it and I showed you, and off I go. Yeah, you see that video before. Well, maybe the next time I get a camera, you know, it'd be all in one. A camera I could do my reviews with, a camera I could do my product reviews with, and a camera that could just basically go with me wherever I go. And not going to be an action camera. It's going to turn out to be back to the old camcorders. They do it all. Well, I'm happy that, you know, the DJI Mic 2 works quite well. And the question I have to ask again, I know the answer to the receiver, it's not going to work. Remote control. Most likely it will. So small and trying to hit that pair button. I'm happy with the DJI Mic 2. I talked myself out of getting a DJI Mini, $60 standalone. Oh man, I missed the helicopter again. You know why it's called Steve WB? I can't get that name. With the blades and all, and there it goes, all the way in the distance. You can see with this camera, can't you? Between the two poles. Yeah, man, I know the trumpets were in your eyes. Well, I was really thinking of getting an Insta360 Ace Pro 2, but trying to follow along and do all these things, I enjoy just having fun with what I got. The thing I did today was, I got out, I did a beautiful walk, it's on here, and I didn't delete it. It rained today, so I only got one shot, and I went for a bike ride. And I'm doing my talk about the Pocket 3 on the bike. And here I am, finishing up, getting ready to put you away. And I hope you enjoyed the video and hope I could put it together. I'm still thinking real hard. Do I really need to update my editor? Do I really need right now to get a Mac? Those are the important things not to get a DJI mic mini microphone. And on that note, I know who I am, and I know who you guys are. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on many other videos to come. I am out of here. I'm going to hop back on my bike. I'm not going to put anything on. I'm going to get on riding. Oh yeah, my mic, I cover this up. Some people don't want to see labels, so maybe they'll put some type of glowing DJI as your, the LED screen. Make this glow, make it light up. That'd be awesome.